wake up. Say she want put me like makeup. She want run me like all night long. Run me like all night long. She a track star. Baby, we could go long last. I could give you love all the way. Do me like that, do me like that. When she run it like that, take it down now. When you give me like, say she won't come to my level.
Oh my god, you guys, I burnt my face somewhere here. Good morning, LC gang. We're currently on our way to go get a facial. We're gonna do a skin analysis. The girl says she's gonna do a skin analysis to figure out what type of skin I have, and after that we'll do some demo. I want to do demo pin, but she says she'll figure it out after the analysis. The skin analysis is free, so I mean, I'm up for anything free. I mean, I have to turn because there's a truck blocking the entrance. Like Cyprus, there's always roadworks, always. I've got to go somewhere else, another road, because this one's blocked. But anyway, that's what we're doing. My facial is at 10:30. It's 10 right now, and then my hair appointment is at 12:30. I'll probably film it if I can. I'll film it. Your girl cannot drive and talk at the same time. I'm still not used to it, but we're getting into the main road right now, so I might have to concentrate on the road.
In your eyes, I do see the melody. Where they make me want to run to mommy. Got the spice, got the sauce, the curry. You don't know. Yeba, straight to the matter. Yeba, straight to the matter.
Hello, Lisa.
Hi, how are you?
Fine, you?
I'm fine.
Today we can do your skin treatment because you have too much black pimples in your face, and today going to be your all deep cleaning, and we are going to start to hydrofacial treatments. Okay?
To remove the black
remove the black spots, pimples, wrinkles, all of them is to remove these operations. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Yo, so what just happened was I went into the room. I don't want to film myself. I went into the room, right, to get my facial and stuff. So I started filming. I put up, set up my tripod and stuff. They were kind of like, you know, iffy about it, and the owner like came and blocked my view and stuff like that. And then I told them like, oh, I have a YouTube channel and stuff. Then they were like, okay, let's see your channel. So I showed them my channel, right? Oh, sorry, you can film. Let's try to film it again. You see that analysis that we did? It's the second time we'll be doing it. The first time they were hostile. Once they saw my channel, they were like, oh, let's do the analysis again. Let me like wear my coat and stuff. I was just thinking like, what if it was my first video? Then it's like, it's hard to start, you know. It's hard to just start because people will be like, you don't have anything going on for you, so why should I help you, type of thing. But anyway, now they made me wait for like 30 minutes. They're like, can you wait 30 minutes? Let's fix the room so you can film. Anyway, they're coming, so let me shut up.
Every time that I'm near you, I realize that you haven't seen. I think you're truly something special. Just what my dreams are really made of. Let's stay together, you and me, boy. There's no one like you around. Really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it. I am so into you. I really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it. I'm so into you. Really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it. I am so into you. I really like what you've done to me. to me. I can't really explain it. I'm so into you. I really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it. I'm so into you. I'm so into you. I'm so into you. Oh, I'm so into you. My love is blind, can you see my desires?
Good morning, y'all. It's a new day. It's a new day to be a bad bitch, okay?
Another day to cause trouble.
I've been cleaning my house the whole morning, you guys. Like, I'm tired. Well, I'm not, but you know, I've been cleaning up my house. I've been doing laundry mostly, actually, because I cleared out my closet not once, not twice, but 3 times this month. Like, what is going on? I just have so many clothes that I barely wear, clothes that I haven't even, they're not even outfits. Like, if they were outfits, I would say like, okay, I have a lot of clothes. I have a lot of clothes, but they are not outfits. And every time I try to go out, I don't have clothes, but I have clothes. So it's just like I'm so tired at this point. I'm just clearing out my closet, and you know, like, it's summer now, so I need new wardrobe. So I'm just taking out the stuff that I haven't worn in forever, stuff that I would never wear again, because obviously, like, you know how your style changes when you grow up and stuff. So I've been holding on to stuff that, like, clothes that I had when I was in my first year uni. Like, it's crazy. I just have so much stuff and I don't even need it at this point. So I've been clearing out my closet. Today I'm doing it the 3rd time because it just seems like it's a lot. Okay, so I'm clearing out my closet, doing my laundry. I hate doing laundry. Anybody else hate doing laundry? Because I hate doing laundry, but I have to, because you know, we need to wear clean clothes, I guess. But yeah, so this is my face after my facial, the facial that I had yesterday. This is how my face is looking like. I have a lot of hyperpigmentation, as you guys can see, so I'm trying to like clean that up, because I used to have good skin, you guys. Like, I never used to have problems with my skin. Like, even in high school, I always used to have like perfect skin. I never used to do anything actually to my skin. It was just good, but now it's doing the most. Okay, so I need to get rid of this hyperpigmentation. So I wanted to do micro needling, but the girl told me, after the analysis, told me she has to do hydrofacial first to clean up I had blackheads, I had like acne and some, you know, those cleaning things that they clean your face. I had that, so she said like she needs to clean up my face first and then we can start treatment. I'm gonna start doing facials every month now, because the girl said like I have oily skin and it's prone to blackheads and like acne, so I need to like have facials like almost every month, like if I can. So yeah, I'm gonna start doing that and see if it's helping or not. I'll let you guys know about the updates of my skin journey. You know, I've been taking these collagen shorts, Suda. I'll put them in the screen for you guys to see, and I've been seeing results like with my hair. Like, my hair is growing, okay, and my hairline as well is growing. So it works. So yeah, I want to start doing that. I actually ran out because they're like 14 shorts, I think. So I ran out, so I need to buy some more, because I've been seeing like change. Like, my hairline is just growing and it's just like, okay, I need this in my life. So I'm gonna keep taking those collagen shots. If you guys have any other collagen you know, supplements that you recommend, let me know. Vitamins as well, because I want to start taking vitamins for my hair, my skin. I just want to take care of myself from inside out, not just outside like I usually do. So that's the update for this morning. I need to finish. I need to eat first, and then I can finish this cleaning because, yo, I get so like when I'm cleaning, yeah, I get so deep. Like I clean like the littlest thing, so it takes so much time, and I get distracted very easily. So I'll be taking forever, but I'll try to make it faster because I have a friend coming over, so I don't want to be like cleaning while she's here. I want to give her my attention, you know. So yeah, let me finish cleaning my house. Let me eat, clean my house, and I'll talk to you guys later, babes. Wish me luck with my wardrobe cleaning because it's not giving. And also let me know if you guys have any places where I can go and donate the clothes, like any, what is it called, charity, where I can like donate the clothes, because the clothes that I've been cleaning out, I feel like somebody could definitely use it. So yeah, they're not that nice for me to say I'm gonna give it to y'all, but yeah, anyway. You know, it depends. I think it depends, but I don't think they're as nice. They're not as nice. If they were nice, I'll probably like do a giveaway and give y'all, but I don't want you to hate me. These are like clothes I haven't worn forever, so I think I should just do an orphanage other than just throwing them in the bin, you know. Let me know if there are any in Guinea, or I can just go in person and stuff. Let me know in the comments down below. So let's finish the cleaning. Wish me luck. Hey y'all, so we are on our way to go get some bed sheets. We're going to Madame Coco. They just told us that they have a new collection, like a hotel collection, so that's what we're about to do. Me and my babe, we need some new sheets. I am gonna get white sheets. And what color are you getting there? You just see with the vibes. Gray or blue is what he likes, but we're gonna go see, so we'll see you guys there. And I'm gonna go back home and do the whole bedroom makeover, and yeah, I'll see you guys there. Alrighty, we're here. Hopefully they'll let me film.
Excuse me, can I please talk to you for a minute? Sure, you know, you look kind of familiar. Yeah, you do too. But I just wanted to know, do you know somebody named, you know his name? Oh yeah, definitely, I know his name. But I just want to let you know that he's mine. No, he's mine.
Alrighty, y'all. So, okay, so this is the final look. I'm super excited for you guys to see. Well, it looks exactly the same as my bed before, but the new sheets just gives a vibe. Okay, so here is the look. Ah, it's so cute. It's so thick, you guys. So it's giving like hotel vibes. Okay, it's giving hotel vibes. This is so cute. Now I don't even want to sleep in my bed. Like, it's so cute. Okay, so now I just have to remove all this junk and clean my room and stuff. But oh my god, I'm in love. And the thingy, the duvet cover is not plain. It has this style. I don't know if you guys can see, but it has this style that I like the fact that it's not just plain. But what, this is cute. Okay, so let me clean my room and then I'll see you guys later. Morning, y'all. Welcome to a new day. Today's Sunday and I'm literally just waking up. I look like a crap, a mess. Okay, yesterday I went out with my friends and we had a lot to drink. I'm so hungover right now. So we had a lot of fun. I don't even have snaps, so that's how you know you had fun. And I came back home really late. I just picked up the phone because I need to end the vlog now. Today's Sunday. I need to start a new vlog on Monday. Next week is my birthday, so next week's vlog will be better. I know this vlog was short, kinda. Also, I'm not sure how long you guys like my vlogs, so I will tell with the way you watch this one and the next. I'll just do like to see how long you guys want my vlogs to be. A week is a long time, so if I'm gonna film every single day, it would be an hour vlog. Imagine like if I film 10 minutes a day. So next week will be my birthday vlog, my weekly, but my birthday week. So yeah, I think it will be fun. I already have some activities lined up, so you guys, I know you guys will like that. I hope I'll be a better vlogger next week, because you know when you're having fun, it's hard to film because you forget and then you just, like yesterday I could have picked up the camera and you guys would have enjoyed it because it was lit, but I was in the zone. I need to be a better vlogger and I'll be a better vlogger, I promise. One step at a time. But yeah, thank you so much guys for watching and I'll see you guys on my next video. Mwah.